Hi guys, XGamer55 here for Minecraft PE 1.1, the latest version. And now guys, I'm gonna show you the 4 secrets of Minecraft PE 1.1. But all secrets I will reveal today. In my next video, I will reveal the 2 more secrets on Minecraft PE 1.1. So let's start guys. The first one is the Frostwalker boots. So you need is boots, any kind of boots, then the Frostwalker book, enchanted book, then go on to the anvil, then prepare it, then wear it like this, then go on river or ocean, then you can see the water is going to be an ice like this. The ice, it's going to dissolve because the sun is there. If you want the ice not set in night. So let's move on. Let's move on. So this is the second secrets I will reveal to you guys. This is the totem of undying. If not I'm mistaken, you can get this from the Boker or from the Vindicator. Um, the two of them. Then you need highest buildings for mount. Then go on to the top of that building. Unit is very high that you think you will die if you jump like this. Then set in, wait, my keyboard is lagging. Then set in game mode S or survival. Then you need to hand the totem of undying, because go to the armor. Then we have five stand of armor now: the head, chest, leggings, boots, and the totem of undying. So as you can see, the totem of undying is on my left hand. So do you think guys, if I jump in this high block, high building, I will die? So if I die, oh guys, I not die because the totem of undying is a very powerful weapon of the Walker or Vindicator. If you, this is like the witch. This is the, if you fall, you will gain energy and strength and heart. You will revive from from the you fall. Let's try without the totem of undying. Let's try without the totem of dying. If I will going to die or not. This building, this is so high, guys. I think I will die. So let's be sure. So I will jump now. See, guys, I'm dead. Uh, the totem of dying so powerful, guys, and useful. Uh, this is only can get, if not I'm mistaken, on the forest of the mansion. You can see that mansion on the forest. I can find that mansion. Tomorrow I will find it. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my page. My page link is on the description below, and comment in the section below what you're gonna want to build. So thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye guys.